Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the restoration of this iPad Air, which has seen better days for sure. I bought it from eBay Kleinanzeigen for 60 euros, which is about $67. Kleinanzeigen is a very popular website in Germany and similar to Craigslist. The display is completely cracked, but surprisingly, it is still fully functional. However, it doesn't look very good in the state, and also it can be extremely dangerous because tiny glass pieces are all over the place. Fortunately, the repair is very inexpensive since the display and the digitizer are not glued together. The iPad Air is the last iPad from the 9.7-inch lineup to have a separate digitizer. For repair, I bought that digitizer from eBay for only 6 euros, which is equivalent to roughly $7. Normally, lifting an iPad glass panel up is not very easy since it is very large and strong adhesive holds it down. But with a cracked screen, it's even harder. That's because the suction cup I would use to do the lifting only works on smooth surfaces and thus just on very small parts of this glass. To remove the panel, I used a razor blade to cut the adhesive. That is a real challenge because the glass cracks even further with that method. But there really aren't many alternatives. Unfortunately, these little glass pieces were responsible for cutting me 3 times. If you want to try that repair on your own, I would strongly recommend you to wear eye protection and gloves. What's more, I had to be extra careful to not destroy the front camera and the digitizer cables on the right of the device. After that process, I unscrewed the display and lifted it up. Also, I unplugged the battery. The last thing I had to do is to unplug all connectors from the logic board and then install the new digitizer by plugging it in. After that, I tested the digitizer and it worked right out of the box. I decided not to replace the housing because it is still in okay condition. Housings can be had on AliExpress for around $20, but keep in mind that you would then have to transfer all the parts from the old housing to the new one, including the battery, which sometimes can be a hassle. Anyway, I now have a fully working iPad Air for only 66 euros or $74, which still supports the latest iOS version and is great for media consumption and is even able to handle some of the latest games. The only drawbacks are the missing Touch ID sensor on the front, and also, unlike the iPad Pros, it doesn't have 4 speakers, which can be a little bit frustrating watching videos on the iPad in horizontal mode. However, I am pretty confident about my purchase because I mainly bought the iPad to act as the command center of my smart home, since I really enjoy using HomeKit. And that works really well, and now I can remotely control all of my devices. Also, the iPad operates seamlessly as a music receiver. Connecting it to my speaker system, I now can ask Siri anytime to start my music playlists. I hope this video was entertaining, and if you like to see more of these restoration videos, leave a like and consider subscribing to this channel. Wish you a great day and see you again. Bye!